we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to our channel, we are Daisy and Elias. We do adventures, clean and decorate, and vlogs. For those who have been here before, welcome back. So in today's video, we have a fall extreme clean with me for you guys. I know I'm a little bit behind with the decorating, but I do have 2 jobs and it makes it harder for me to do videos for you guys, but we are here back making a video for you guys. I'm also going to be decorating the master bedroom and the master bathroom with fall decor, and this is part of the second part video that I did. The first part, I'm gonna be leaving the link down below for you guys to check it out, where I decorated my living room and my kitchen with fall decorations. And hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, leave any comments below, any questions you want to ask us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can guys see more videos of us. Enjoy. As I mentioned before in this video, I am late for decorating for fall season, but I still wanted to share with you guys this video. So for those who are late decorating for this season, you guys can get any ideas of how to decorate your house. For those who are wondering why I have boxes under my bed, is because my closet is small, and you know, as a woman we do tend to have a lot of clothes, so having a box is down below on my bed.
I really wanted to get it right, find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if
And if you're wondering if Elias helps me on cleaning, here he is helping me dust off, and he was also helping me record at the same time, and you're gonna see him throughout the video as well. So I'm going to be switching up my tray where I keep my perfumes and my face mask. I'm going to be using a wood tray, and I'm going to be placing it on top of my dresser. And for those who are wondering, I am going to be doing another video for my dresser drawers and my closet, because I need to do a deep clean on that. So stay tuned for that video, guys. I'm not really sure when I'm going to be recording it, but soon, I promise.
love in this crazy world, I feel like I was never heard.
Right here in this basket is where we keep our shoes that we use more often. I am going to be decluttering some shoes because we don't really use some of them, and we're going to be donating some shoes.
Follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy.
I do keep more of my shoes under the bed on these bags that I purchased from Walmart, and I'm also going to be decluttering some shoes because I never wear them and some don't fit, and then some of them I just don't like them no more. of purses that much, but I do keep a few purses that I have on my door.
You're making time. What makes it worth the while? You were making time. Wanna be free of this heart.
So right here, Elias is cleaning our wall with Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. We purchased like a 6-pack from Walmart. It's not really that pricey. It does really take off your marks on your wall or any spot that you have that you want to get rid of. I'm gonna be putting these prints on top of our bed. The digital prints are from Etsy. Then I went to Walmart and print them out. And then with the frames, it was on average around 35 bucks or so. And we're done cleaning our bedroom. This new rug, in the beginning of the video, you guys saw I had a black one, and I switched it up to a light gray with white, and I purchased it from Ross. But we're done cleaning our room, and now we're gonna be doing our bathroom next.
It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay.
Up next is to decorate our room fall season with pumpkins and orange and all that decor. The first thing we're gonna decorate is our nightstand. You're gonna see me switching up things a lot, but this pumpkin I purchased from Target. It was $5. This little frame I purchased it from the dollar store, and I'm gonna use it in my nightstand. As I mentioned, I ain't gonna be moving things around at the end, so yeah. So up next is our dresser, and I'm gonna be using this 3 pumpkin set. I purchased them from Big Lots, and I believe the price was like $15. And I'm squishing it so it turn out good. This garland I purchased from the dollar store, and I'm gonna be dropping it on top where my pumpkins are at. Then for our room to smell more pumpkin, I'm gonna be using this candle, and I purchased them from Ross. I don't remember the price of it, around like $6 or so. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it smells so good at the end.
It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah.
Then in my bed, I'm gonna be using these 2 pillow covers that I came instead of 2 from Amazon. The price for them both were like $12 or so. And then in the chair that I have in the corner of my room, I'm gonna be using this plaid pillow that I purchased from Walmart. It cost me like $5. And we're done decorating for the room, and hope you guys like the decoration that I use. I do not tend to decorate a lot in the room, just a few items here and there. So let me know what you guys think down below. Now we're gonna do the bathroom. We're gonna start by cleaning the bathroom, then at the end we're gonna do our decorating for fall season. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are thinking of this video, of what you have seen or what you wish you have seen. Let me know anything. Also, I want to know, when do you guys start decorating for fall season? I know I mentioned that I'm way behind on decorating for this season, but I want to know when you guys start, and when do you guys start to take off your decorations and start decorating for Christmas. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, guys. And for whenever you guys see in this video, hope I can get you guys motivated on cleaning your own house, guys. And this is why we're here in this community, so we can help each other get motivated on cleaning, working out, or whatever you guys like to do. So the 2 products that I'm going to be using to clean my bathtub is Ahaz and bleach. Now we're going to be changing our shower curtain liner. I purchased mine from Ross. I know some of you guys do tend to wash them on your washer, but I do just buy a new one. The product that I use to clean my toilet bowl is bleach, a has, and Lysol toilet cleaner. And now to clean the outside of my toilet, I use this product called Spick and Spam. It's the scent of lemon. So up next, I'm going to be cleaning my floors. So I'm going to be mopping them, and then I'm going to be cleaning my mirror and my sink. I do use Windex and Lysol to clean my sink.
I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line.
So now that we're done cleaning, we're going to do the decorating. I am going to be adding these 2 small pieces on my shelf and adding orange towels. In my first video that I did for my bathroom decorations and cleaning, I asked you guys if I should remove my white mirror that I have, and I ended up removing it by purchasing these 6 pieces from Amazon and the frames on from Walmart. Then I'm adding these 2 pieces of decorations on top of my toilet. The Hello Fall is from Big Lots and the pumpkin is from Dollar Store. And now we're done decorating our bathroom and cleaning it. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give this a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. If you guys want to know where I purchased some of these items, just let them know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you guys want to see more of our videos. See you until next time. In our next video, we're going to have a Christmas shop with me. Bye!
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.